Hey everybody, I was gifted a passport wallet. It comes with a dust cover when you are not using it. And this is it. Let's look at this lychee textured leather material that it is made of. It is so beautiful and so durable. You get the attached strap, and this is great because it becomes a wristlet and makes it easier to hold. On the outside, you have a pocket, and then when you open it up, this is, I think, where the magic happens. This is RFID protected. It comes with the little key if you need to reset things, and then you do get the SIM card or the memory card holder. This is for your passport, but you have one and you have two pockets, and then you have a pocket all the way in the back here, so that's three, and then you have a full pocket over here, making four full pockets. Cute little change purse here with the snap, and then you have a location for your photo ID, and then you have two more credit card pockets right here. So you have one and two. The zip goes the entire way around for when you want to close this up. This is perfect to throw in your bag. It's small enough for that, but yet it's big enough to hold all of the things while you are traveling. I love this one. Definitely check it out.